If you go to social media right now, like YouTube, TikTok, and the rest, this short is what's trending everywhere. I'm talking about those animated fruit story videos where the characters look almost real, but everything is made with AI.
Hang on, sweetie. I've got you.
I'm scared!
You're safe now. This road is long, but the view is worth it. Hold on tight, dear. I've got you now. There we go, safe and sound.
Channels posting these are blowing up with massive engagement. And honestly, I had to jump on it too. And take a look.
You're alive.
We shouldn't have let it happen.
It's a child.
It's a mistake. If they find it, we're dead.
Then we run. I'm not losing this one.
The one you just watched, it literally cost me $0 to make my own version. No paid tools, nothing. It did take me about a week to figure out the best way to create these fruit animation shorts without spending anything, but now that I've figured it out, I'm here to walk you through the entire process so you can do the same. Before we get into it, I just need one thing from you. If you're serious about this and you actually want to get results, don't skip any part of this. Don't jump around, because if you miss something, you'll mess up the whole workflow and then you'll end up stuck later. So just stay with me till the end and let's get into it. So now we start with getting your video idea or title. Since this is a story-based niche, your idea matters a lot. If you can't come up with one right now, don't stress. Just check the description. I've dropped a Google Doc link there with all the prompts you need, including prompts specifically for generating video ideas. Open that document, copy the video idea prompt, then head over to ChatGPT, start a new chat, paste it in, and send it. Within a few seconds, you'll get around 15 highly engaging short video ideas you can choose from. Once you've picked your idea, go back to that document again and copy the video structure master prompt. Then return to ChatGPT, start a fresh chat, and paste that master prompt in. But don't send it yet. Go back to the ideas you generated, pick the one you like, copy it, and insert it into the master prompt where your title or idea is supposed to go. Now you can send it. What this does is powerful. It gives you everything in one go. Your character setup prompts, full story structure, scene-by-scene breakdown, image prompts, animation prompts, and even the dialogue for each character. Literally everything you need to make the video unique is already done for you. Now, this next part is very important, so pay attention. We're moving into production, starting with generating your main characters. You can use any image generator you like, but I personally recommend Flow AI because it gives you unlimited image generation if you know how to use it properly. And I always say this, if you want to use Flow without paying anything, just create multiple Gmail accounts and rotate between them. That's exactly what I do, and I don't spend a single dollar. Once you're inside Flow, switch to image mode. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts, set image output to 2 variations, and choose Nano Banana Pro. Now, go back to ChatGPT and copy the full prompt for your first character. Paste it into Flow, but don't send it yet. Then go back again and copy the character design prompt and attach it to the main character prompt inside Flow. Once everything is combined, you can send it. You'll get 2 variations, pick the one you like, download it, and delete the other. Then repeat the exact same process for your second and third characters. Copy both the main and design prompts, paste them into Flow, generate, pick your favorite, download, and delete the rest. Now that your main characters are ready, it's time to generate the scenes. The process is almost the same. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 1, and paste it into Flow. Don't send it just yet. Before generating, click the plus icon and upload the character images that appear in that scene. If the scene has 2 characters, upload both. If it's just one, only upload that one. This helps keep your characters consistent across all scenes. Once everything is set, generate the image. Again, you'll get 2 variations, download the one you like, and delete the other. From here, it's just repetition. Go back, copy the next scene prompt, paste it into Flow, attach the correct character images, generate, and repeat until all your scenes are done. Always double check how many characters are in each scene so you attach the right ones. Now that all your scene images are ready, we move into animation. I still use Flow AI for this, but if you prefer another tool, you can use it. That's why we downloaded the images earlier. Switch Flow from image to video mode. Select frame, not ingredient. Set your aspect ratio again, choose X1 video output, and choose VO 3.1 fast. Click on the start frame and upload your first scene image. Then go back to ChatGPT and find the scene breakdown with dialogue. Copy everything for scene 1 and paste it into Flow. Now, here's the key part. Since this is an animation, you need to help the model understand your characters properly. So you also need to copy the main character prompts and attach them to the animation prompt. If there are multiple characters in the scene, include all of them. If it's just one, include only that one. Then, generate the video. And honestly, the result is usually very clean and well synced.
Hey, you don't belong down here.
Why would you help me?
Because no one helped me once.
After that, just repeat the same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the next scene, copy the correct scene breakdown with dialogue, attach the relevant character prompts, generate, and download. Now that all your animated scenes are ready, the final part is simple. Use any video editor you like, CapCut works perfectly, to combine all your clips into one full video. Arrange them in order, export your final video, and upload it to your channel. And just like that, you've created a full AI animated short without spending a single dollar. I'll catch you in the next one.
Hey, you don't belong down here.
Why would you help me?
Because no one helped me once.
You really trust me? You're my brother now.
Be careful, he's changing.
No, he's just hurting.
We made it, Rays! Yeah, we did.
Raze, where are you? I took the deal, alone. After everything, I needed this more than you.
Why doesn't this feel like winning?
You still believe in people?
Not everyone, but enough.
I lost the only real one.